Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you easy method to update network drivers in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and then you need to go to Device Manager. Now this window will be successfully displayed, and we are interested in to click on an arrow on the left side of network adapters. So I click here, and then we need to find here correct network adapter. In my PC it will be Inter-Air Dual Band Wireless. Normally your network adapter should have wireless or Wi-Fi included in name, so that's why I click right mouse button on this one network adapter, and then I recommend you to go to Properties. Now we need to go to Driver tab, and here we have something like Update Driver. It will let you to update the driver for this device. So I click on this one button, and then you can read here this question: how do you want to search for drivers? I recommend you to select search automatically for drivers. It will let Windows to search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. I click here, and after a moment network drivers should be successfully installed on your device. So now you need to click close button, we need to click close again, and I recommend you to restart your PC if any changes have been made. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to support me and buy me coffee from link in description.